Hello world, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to take a break from my usual style of content to show you 5 award-winning portfolio websites. In my next video, I'll be rebuilding one of these sites using Webflow, so subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss that. Let's dive in. Starting off strong with Yuta Abe's portfolio. The loading animation is smooth and quick, a refreshing change from the long and boring ones you might have seen in the past. As soon as you enter the page, the hero section has a cursor-based interaction with a 3D graphic that moves and rotates based on cursor position. When hovered over, this graphic dynamically changes shadow and colored, and it's accompanied by this bold text that takes up most of the page with a small paragraph in the bottom left. The nav bar has an animated logo and a simple hover interaction for the nav links, as well as a toggle to switch between light and dark mode. The individual portfolio pages are minimal, allowing the work to be the start of the show. Each project contains a brief description, the technologies used, and a link to the live version. Moving on to our second portfolio, this one by Nicola Marici. The hero section is clean and elegant with a simple text fade loading animation. The site also features a light mode, dark mode transition, plus a third colorful mode. Now, when you first look at this site, you'll notice the custom cursor. There are 2 separate dots, one following the other. Now, this is a design effect that can be created in Webflow, and I've actually made a video about it that I've linked in the top right corner. Okay. Now, as you scroll further, you'll notice there's another cursor animation. This one is more complex. The arrows rotate at different degrees in relation to the cursor's position, adding a visually pleasing effect. When you click on this Click Me button, you'll notice that these elements sort of drop in from the top, which is also a nice little interaction. Now, next up, we have a project gallery, and this displays some neatly arranged images and looping text on a very nice grid format. When hovered over, the text starts to loop to draw the user's attention to the content. Last up, there is a contact form right at the end, and it includes a magnetic cursor interaction, drawing the user to that contact link. Next, we have Babylon Agency. When the page loads, the grid containing the content is filled with our text and the logo gracefully animates in. The nav bar has hole punch cutouts and remains fixed at the top of the screen, allowing users to quickly access the different sections of the website. As the sections are scrolled into view, there are many text animations that add to the page's visual appeal, some of which loop for a mesmerizing effect. As we load the next website, a 3D graphic appears. When clicked on, there's this nav bar on the left that reveals some very nice easing, as well as a lot of nice text interactions. Let's click out of this and explore the page further. So we have some text animations here, this rotating text in the right, and we also have some very smooth gallery interactions. So we have some distortion on these images. Now, if you click on any of these links, you get transported seamlessly to the individual project page. Now, if we scroll through this page, there's horizontal scrolling as well as some more simple interactions. Moving on to another highly technical portfolio by Andreas Antonson. This is a portfolio that is sure to make a lasting impression with its unique and eye-catching design. The portfolio wastes no time and jumps straight into a gallery, which features skewed images, cursor movements, and text fades, all of which work together to create a captivating visual experience. The transitions between pages are so smooth that you barely even notice them, and each project page has its own unique color scheme and minimal content, which really helps draw attention to the featured work. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this new form of content. Let me know what specific interactions you'd like me to recreate down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!